What's going on, YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, about to get prepared to head down to Camarofest in Bowling Green, Kentucky. So I'm getting packed in the house right now, but I'm outside the house, so I got stuff to do out here. Gotta watch the Camaro. I was talking to race car friends and Blueprint 1LE. So asking them, do you wash your car before a road trip? And they're both like, yes. I don't want to. My philosophy behind it is, if the bugs splatter on it, it's going to get on the dirt that's already on there, protecting my paint. But they're like, no man, I wash my car before a road trip and when I get there. I'm like, what? I'm going to do it too. It does make sense. So, and I'm going to put some tape on the hood of the car because I'm not protecting. I'm out here driving around raw. So I'm going to put some painter's tape on the front after I wash the car. So about to jump into the video, but before we do, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel. Let's jump into it. This thing is filthy. Tires filthy. Body of the car. It was clean. I got caught in the rain. And now all the key areas are very dirty. You can definitely see it back here. Woo! So definitely got to get that washed off. So let me get this pressure washer. All clean. Yeah, this car definitely holds a lot of dirt at these wheel arches, like along here. Tires kicking up dirt. Same thing with the front fender. Right behind this front fender, a lot of dirt gets kicked up. Tires were dirty, somewhat clean. I didn't really scrub them because I'm about to hit the road, take a 7-hour trip. So let me put this tape on. And the tape similar, so let me get this going on here. Sweating out here, man. About 20 minutes later, I'm done doing what I'm going to do. And of course, it's not perfect. Tried to do the minimum effort for the maximum gains out of it. So here we have it. Can you even tell? Yeah, you can definitely tell. Get a video like. I just got the main areas, basically the front, and these fenders bulging out. Some of this will probably fly off, but like the frontal areas, I just don't want rock chips to get that because I'm out here driving around raw. We're road ready, so let me put the water hose and all that stuff away, go in the house, shower, finish packing, and get ready to head out. So catch you all in the morning. It's the next morning, ready to hit the road, 7 a.m. So I'm about to go to Bowling Green, Ohio. So that's the first meetup spot, not to be confused with Bowling Green, Kentucky. Same name. It's kind of like The Simpsons. We got Springfield, and there's two different Springfields. So which one is it? But it's the one in Ohio. So it's about an hour and a half away from here. Going to meet up down there and get a convoy to go together. And I'm putting in the car with me, got the Jrue products. Haven't seen it in a while. Got the beard and body butter right here. So that's what I use for my beard. And I got the black soap. Shower with this every single day for my whole body and hair. It's a shampoo and body cleanser. And I got the beard oil because you want your beard to be glistening, soft, and moist. So check us out, bjrue.com. Ohio, and I washed my car for nothing because it's raining. We're pulling up the Camaro. Not my Camaro. This is me over here. burned a quarter tank of gas, averaging like 22.4 miles a gallon. He's averaging 28. So he's using cruise control. I'm not. This rain is bad, man. Like, our car is not really meant for the rain. It's a good thing we stopped now. Hopefully it calms down, but we're about to meet at the other gas station. All right, tape update. We looking terrible out here, man. This rain really got me, dog. I might as well pull it off. This is gonna fly off anyway. And whoever works for Apple as a meteorologist, you suck, man. I looked at the forecast, no rain today. I get out here, it's supposed to rain until the time I get to Kentucky. Gas here is much cheaper too, $5.35. It was like close to $6 at home. The further south you go, the cheaper it is. So, got another Camaro pulled up. We like, how much time we got left? Like 15 more minutes. 100 miles, average 22.3 miles per gallon, which is always like one off, so about 21. Let me reset that. I'm out here without a walkie, getting rain on my Alcantara. Let me roll my window up, see if Taz has a walkie. He gotta get E85. The gas station was getting crowded. So yeah, the abandoned gas station is getting some work done to it. Snack. The wild berry. Gatorade. Got the white one, doesn't have any dye in it. That's not why I didn't get it. I normally get Powerade, the blue one. And these potato chips, I like plain chips. This rain and all these trucks suck, man. They keep throwing water. It makes it really hard to see. We're out here doing like 50. Just truck after truck after truck. Yeah, meteorologist, man. Jeez, it was supposed to be sunny the whole way. And I just checked last night, so this is what we got. The rain finally clearing up, but the roads are a little damp. So we still got like an hour and a half before we get to our next stop, which is Cracker Barrel. And we got joined by other Camaros. They were moving through the rain. So we got two ZL1s, the Z28. Then there's Blueprint. And behind me is Taz and a couple others. Whew. Made it to Cracker Barrel. My tape is ruined. Like, it just came all the way off. Here's the whole fleet coming down. Present for Taz, he's stealing some of my tape. Man, what's that all about? Getting more gas. About to get a walkie-talkie from Taz over there. And I'm about to start peeling this off because it looks terrible. Took all the tape off. And I washed the car yesterday. Shouldn't have washed the car because now it's dirty from all the rain. And got stuff caked up on the side of here. It's dirt. But yeah, we're just here waiting for others to get food. I might get more snacks. Yeah, let me go in here and get some snacks. Kentucky. We made it to our destination. This is the hotel where the shindig will be at. But we got an Airbnb, so we won't be staying here. But man, what they doing? ZL1, 7 hours. Is it comfortable? Somewhat. My back hurts. I just noticed I don't have lumbar support in the ZL1. It's just something I needed. I should have probably got a back pad. My back hurting a little bit. My knee hurt too, but that's no fault of the Camaro. That's these knees right here, man. But stretching it out. So it wasn't bad at all. It's comfortable. Got here pretty quickly. Our whole convoy. Take a look at the crew here. 1LV ZL1. A whole lot of cars. This is a Z28. I really like this car. I want a Z28 for myself. That black thing is like a water block rocks and garbage. So a few people had that. And this was our crew from here on back that way. And these are people that were here. What's this? Synergy green, Krypton? I don't know which color. I just found out it was two greens. I don't know which one is which. Yeah, this is what we got here. And then the most special Camaro, not the one that's on the trailer coming in, a Shelby GT500. What is this doing here? This is Camarofest. This is cool though. It's performance blue. That's what it is. White stripes. That the painted on stripe? You got the baller in the house? Might be vinyl. I don't know. I wouldn't pay $10,000 for a stripe. Got this beefy Gladiator right here too. huge. All right, so now we got an hour until we can check into our Airbnb. So we're about to go find some AC because it's like 102 out here. And I'm wearing some sweatpants. Got to put on the hoochie daddy shorts in a minute. Oh, everybody else wearing? Yeah, man. Hey, you got to do it. But yeah, I don't know, I'm about to go on the inside and figure out what we're about to do. So tomorrow is the race course. I don't have access to that because I made up my mind at the last minute, but I'm about to see if I can get on the race course. But I can do drag racing or autocrossing. So I want to do the race course though. Drag racing is not really my thing, but I'll try it though if I can. Z28 carbon fiber, everything. That boy from where we stand at, it's only like filter. 10 minutes. What's the name of the hotel? Even this insert, carbon fiber.
When we came, was it last year?
Splitter, carbon fiber.
That's crazy.
Half stage inlays, carbon fiber. Oh, it's the guy who left part of the crew.
So where did he go?
I have no idea. We left him at like the first stop. He left us.
Okay. I brought my dog last time.
Side skirt.
Yeah, I think none of these hotels are pet friendly at all.
Oh, okay.
And the diffuser.
Woo! My concave got way deeper though.
Z28.
Yeah.
It made the concave look crazy when you look at it from the side.
Personal favorite.
305 man, wheel.
At the Airbnb, only 2 parking spaces, but it's 3 cars here. So what do we do about that?
We cram them.
Cram them?
We cram them.
We cram
as much Camaros we can in here.
It's actually 4 Camaros here. Oh, is that a Z28? Oh,
Yes, just another Z28.
This is the city of the white Z28.
Old school. That's the
All IROCs though too.
That's the 15th one we seen today.
Right. I think that was like a V6 or something.
I'm just gonna take this in right now.
Hey, the Z28 is the new one that leave.
Look at this guy wearing Crocs.
You mad?
Oh, they got air in here.
Okay. Thank you. They said.
Thank you.
Okay, they said here's a few trips. Great to our home is automated with a keypad on the front door for check-in, the 4-digit code. Did that work? Yeah.
Oh man, first try.
Oh, yep, this is the spot.
I ain't going too much walking.
Right. Man, let me get my sage. Where the other rooms at?
What? Oh no, I'm too.
Dog, what? This is it?
No,
Come on, man.
I booked the Airbnb.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie to that. He did.
I booked the Airbnb. This is my joint.
Oh, what?
You better go keep looking.
I put my sweat on here.
Hey, you see he tried to hurry up though?
Nah. Sorry, hey, I booked the Airbnb, bro.
I'm gonna come use his shower and then he gonna.
Hey, I don't care. I don't care.
I'm about to blow up this man's toilet.
Hey, let's go eat a burrito tonight, Q.
Right. I already ate that chalupa.
Hey, it's kind of heat right there, though.
Yeah.
It's kind of heat.
It's nice right here.
No, there's one cute in town, bro.
That's why I really chose it, for real.
Wait, which one?
It made sense for us to get this one.
Man, I got the kid room. I got kids.
Man, you got a kid room?
Man, I can't even fit in these beds.
That's crazy. We get Q in the kid room.
You got cute. Q ain't got the room right here.
I got
It's a room. He got the good great bunk beds, don't he?
man.
He got the good great. You got 4 beds, bro.
I got 4 beds to myself.
Look.
I can't even jump on the beds though. That's dumb.
I don't even see how they said it was 7. What did they say?
1,
2, 3. They said it was 7.
Technically, I don't think not cute, and they're not counting 2 people on this bed right here.
That's 4. These are 4 right here.
They counting as 4.
And then 1 in the other.
This is 6,
That's
bro.
7? Okay, so yeah, that's how they came up. So that's how they made more people.
Hey, Q, man, you look, hold down the phone.
Oh my God, where my phone at? Cause bro got the bunk bed room on to his side. Look, hey, but you can't get mad cause you know he got more space for the ladies.
Hey,
Man, what ladies, man? I should have brought my family, man.
No, I'm just playing with you, bro.
I called Dill.
I do not want Q to get in trouble. No, he's a married man. He got more space for his car parts he about to buy.
I'm wearing my hoochie daddy shorts tonight. Y'all there. I'm wearing them all now.
You don't get no Wi-Fi?
Yeah, we got Wi-Fi.
It says right here
All right, man. Let us get settled in. They put me in the kid room, man.
No,
It's all good.
They told me the Wi-Fi.
Man, that ain't right.
I got Apple Mini too. That's what I be using.
You got one?
That's what I be using to
Yeah.
my stuff.
Yeah. I just bought one for my Pro. It's
I
like,
was, I was thinking about it so bad, but I was like, you know, when you think about stuff like that, you think about the worst thing that can happen.
yeah, me too.
I was like, bro, I do not want to bring my Apple Mini here, bro.
Yeah, I thought about that. Like, man, that's too
Look at this guy.
I ain't gonna use all that stuff, bro.
Man, well, get out the room then. Let me out of the room.
No, I booked the Airbnb. I gotta watch our cars and stuff, bro. I mean, that's how it is.
You ain't even gonna be here.
You ain't gonna be here. None of us ain't gonna be here. But for real, like, how big y'all think this,
I'm taking a towel.
I don't care. How big you think this, spot is? Like, I'm trying to think square footage wise.
Probably about 1,600.
You think about 2,000?
1,600 probably. Probably 1,600. I think about 16 for real.
I'm thinking about
It's a little bit bigger than my crib. Like, mine's like 12, but I feel like I got all this space.
It looks like it's big, but it's pretty close.
And probably this space. I don't know.
It's nice though.
Yeah, it's real nice though.
I'm thinking about 1,000, dog.
1,000 square feet? No, it got too many space for bedrooms. So you got a king size there, you got bunk bed there, you got a queen and another bed in there.
Oh, let me see this room. I forgot, man. I forgot. They got more rooms and more beds in here. Man, what's in here? Man. They got it. Man, they ain't even got a TV.
Every year then.
It's a nice one to book for real.
Yeah.
How I get a room with no TV? Dog. Man, I'm sleeping in the living room, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This, I mean, with Craig, it would have been this crib would have been perfect for 5 people. There ain't no way in hell you're gonna have like 7 grown ass men up in there. I would be pissed about the bunk bed joint for real.
Man.
See, that's cool when you bring like your people, you know, like your family or something like that.
You gotta sit in this little chair right here.
If you came with his wife and his kids, that bunk bed room would have been cute.
Yeah.
That would have been a cute room, bro. Like,
Hey, but this is clutch though. Like, so you do bring like the family, whatever. Like, you do get that.
I ain't got no family. I got 4 beds to myself, dog.
But look, you go ahead and what's that shit you was talking to me about? Oh, you can practice and going in and out, leaving. Look, at least I'm right here closed off. I can do whatever I want to do, but I can't be walking around here. They got it closed off. They do whatever they want to do. Well, look, you got this whole hallway. You can film in your room.
What?
that's crazy.
They come back. You can be like, yeah, I got the whole spot to myself. Then I come out the door like.
Let me wake up and I go like this and I just see Q walk around with
a
his
hoochie daddy short.
Man, I got the short end of the stick. It's all good. It is all good. Man, I ain't got no TV. But let me get a shower so we can go back to the hotel where all the events are and just chill out for a minute because it's hot outside. We're going to have to be out there all day. So I'm Q, checking out. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell about the channel. I'll catch you all tomorrow. Peace out.